everyone. In this video we will see how to update the details for the students in the Pudhumai Penn scheme system. Okay, so let us first type the website address pudhumaipen.tn.government.in, and then we'll get to this place, and then you just click on this login. And in this login there are three different things where we can get into the institutes and colleges, and we are given some password and user ID for our college, and kindly type this password and user ID in this screen, and then you will get into some whatever the password allotted for you for our college, then you have to type the content. Okay, so just I am giving some example value, and then we have to give the password. So accordingly we have to log into the system. Okay, so now since if it is not correct, you will get this message as usual. Otherwise you will get into the site. Okay, so after getting to the site, we have the screenshot where we can see some details where we can have to enter the information about the student, given the correct password and the ID, so that I have got into this particular page. So this is the home page where we have to enter information. So now get into the some menus are there. So for there we have to get into the scholarship registration. If you click on this, you can get the different details where you have the EMIS with the EMIS option. Okay, so this is with the EMIS option. If you click on this, you will get into the process where we can type all the information. So now we have to just type in the EMIS ID. So this EMIS ID, as I told here, this is the ID which you will get from the plus 2 mark sheet, or this is from the their TC. Okay, so once you type this EMIS number, automatically the number varies in different cases. Okay, so now once you type the number, it will just click on this fetch the student's details. So once you type the proper details just of the proper EMIS of the student, and then if you click on this OK, you will get the details which has been entered from their plus 2 mark sheet. After that, we will have so many information where we have to type the information like their bank account number. That will be able to follow because different tabs are given, and if you click on each and every tab, so one tab for account number, then one tab for this personal details, and many things are there. And make sure that this the account number should be connected with the bank number, and that account that mobile number should be the account number should be connected to the mobile number, and that mobile number should be related to the Aadhaar number. So these things should be linked properly. So please ensure that your students are given the proper mobile number which has been connected to the Aadhaar number as well as the bank account details. Okay, so accordingly you have to, as that different menus come, different forms come, we can naturally enter the values for the students, and then you have to click. If everything is okay, if everything is okay, and you will be able to find out the number like this. After you everything successfully completed, we will have to go tab 1 by next tab. So one tab is over, it will say the personal information is typed successfully. Next, when you go, it will say the account information is given successfully, and then like that there are 2-3 different tabs which will sub tabs which will get the successful submission. We will move to the next consecutive tabs. Okay, so after everything is done, if everything is proper, that means the bank account detail is proper and it is given in the account bank specified by the system. Okay, so with these things we will get this number like CHN 0551914, like numbers are here in the first column. So like these numbers you will get the registration number. That is the registration number which is given for your student based on the EMIS number and all the information what you are given. So once this number is given, share this number to the students, let them have it, and after some time, if it will be updated to by the nodal officer to their website, and it will be processed, and once the process is completed, the students will be given the benefit of the scheme. Okay, so and after that, if at all suppose for now I have only some information of the student which is not completely they have given in the in that case, what we have to do is type in whatever is available, one partial, one menu, we just fill it up, and likewise you have to give the, so whichever is pending we can add it afterwards, like a search button is there. If you click on the search button, you can give any of the search items, like maybe the student number, mobile number, their name, their EMIS number, any number. If you give, it will fetch the details of the students, and if any update you want to do, something you might have missed out or something you might have wrongly typed, or the students must have given new information after they given the wrong information. So whatever the case may be, we can first search the details, it will bring out the details of the students, then we can go as usual, as I said before, to all the tabs to update the information. So that's all about how to successfully submit the application for this Pudhumai Penn scheme. Hope it will be easy and simple to follow. And once this number, registration number, this of this type, CHN 055, like one example they have given, that number will be their reference number forever, and that will be carried out till the scheme, they applicable for the scheme. Okay, so thanks for watching.